Earlier this month, Jeep India launched the Meridian SUV in India, making it the first right-hand drive market to receive the all-new SUV. The company is also working on a compact SUV, made specifically for developing markets like India. This new Jeep compact SUV has been spied for the first time. Demand for compact SUVs is on the rise. Currently, it is Hyundai Creta and Kia Seltos, which are in the lead. Other key players include Volkswagen Taigun, MG Astor and Skoda Kushaq SUVs. Next, Maruti and Toyota will enter this lucrative segment, with YFG and D22. Coming back to Jeep's compact SUV, the car will be based on modified Renegade platform. Interestingly, it is likely to become the first compact SUV in the segment to get an all-wheel drive setup. This was officially confirmed by Jeep's global design head last year. But instead of a traditional mechanical all-wheel drive setup, Jeep could offer the new compact SUV with an electrified powertrain, which provides an all-wheel drive system. A similar setup was introduced in Renegade 4xe and Compass 4xe last year in Europe. Electrification could further help bring down emissions, although it is expected to increase input costs substantially. Earlier, FCA joined hands with Group PSA to form one of the largest automotive conglomerates in the world called Stellantis. With this, Jeep will get access to Citroens' highly localized 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine, which will power the C3 and could be used to power its own compact SUV. This unit can generate an output of around 130 brake horsepower. More details of its development are expected to be shared in the coming months. The upcoming compact SUV from Jeep, also referred to as Baby Jeep, will be offered as a more premium alternative to the likes of Creta, Seltos, Taigun, Kushaq. It is likely to make its global debut later this year. Upon launch, it will sit below the Compass in the company lineup. Thanks for watching.